guys, it's the annoying cheese here, and today we are in Roblox Natural Disaster Survival, and I'm here with my owner Jack. He's not playing, but he's here. He might play. Hey guys, yeah, you may know me as Gamer Jax the Gamer. I don't know why, but he forced me here. No, Jack, I did not force you here. I asked you to, and you said yes. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. Whatever, orange. Oh my god, I almost called you orange. Whatever, cheese. Hey, don't call me just cheese. Call me the annoying cheese. Whatever. I might join cheese. How many times do I gotta say it? Call me the annoying cheese. I'm not cheese. Technically, you are cheese. No, I'm not. It's hurtful what you said to me. I'm sorry. I didn't know that calling you cheese was hurtful, but that's what you are. Okay? Whatever, Jack. Whatever. Anyways, you got safety second. I'm playing on my laptop. I have a laptop. How do you even play? You don't have you don't have arms or legs. So it's like unbelievable. I don't even know how you play. But you've played this on your channel before. That's true, but I don't know how you play without arms and legs. That's what I meant. Oh, I can't tell you that. It's very secret. All of our friends will be doing it. And I lost some of my health. Also, if you're wondering why I never do face cam, and I've only shown my face once, I won't ever be doing face cam because I dropped it. Deadly virus, avoid crowds, and this guy just pushed me off. Oh, I hate this one. I better hide in here. Oh my goodness. There's someone in here. I'm out. Goodbye. Good. Bye. I don't even know. Ah! Why am I getting killed? Ah! Why is this just purple stuff coming out of me? Ah! Ah! I passed away! Don't say you passed away, Orange. Did you just call me Orange? Yeah, I did, by accident. You know what? I'm out. Jack! Whoopsie. I do exactly what the annoying orange does. I fart. Oh no, I didn't actually fart. I kind of farted in sadness. I didn't purposely fart. But yeah, where should we go? This video isn't gonna be too long. I just wanted to play Flee the Facility for you. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been posting anything in forever. I took a very short break. I don't know. If you guys must know, every time I post a video, I take a break. Cause sometimes YouTube isn't really my thing, you know? Up here. Why isn't nobody listening? It's gonna be something, so we gotta go up here. Yay! I'm in a safe place. Let's go down. What's this person? Just looking at the people's names. I got yellow cheese hair, which I don't actually have in real life. I'm just a lump of cheese. And I was carved when I was born. So I hope you guys are really enjoying this video because it's all I'm doing for now. You will never get to really see my face. He said, but you know what it looked like from my first video. And oh no, this place does not have a roof. I gotta go. My safe place. Okay. So, if I'm listening to it correctly, there's thunderstorms everywhere. And there's people standing underneath the stairs. Yay! Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna do it for today's video. If you liked it, please give a like, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!